Hello, this is a bucket of beetroot from my square foot bucket garden. If you're a follower of mine, you'll know what that square foot bucket garden looks like. But just in case you're not, this is what it looks like. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to take this bucket of beetroot. I've already had some vegetables and fruit and herbs from that bucket garden, but some of the vegetables haven't actually got big enough to take yet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut you back to what these individual vegetables looked like about 2 months ago. There are 16 shots you're going to see of vegetables, herbs and fruit. I've numbered them. If you want to pick up a pencil and paper, you might want to have a guess at what they are. You might even recognise them and know what they are. So this is a 1 to 16 test, and it's a fun test, so there are no prizes. Everybody's a winner here at Homegrown Veg. Have a look at these and see if you can write down what these vegetables, herbs and fruit are. Okay, did you make that list? Do you think you've got them all right, 16 out of 16? Well, we're going to find out now, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put those vegetables, herbs and fruit back on the screen as they are today. Okay, you can mark yourself generously. As I've already said, there are no prizes. Cut yourself some slack. If you nearly got the answer right, you got the answer right as far as I'm concerned. Then come back to me and we'll harvest these beetroot. And after we've done all that and I sign off and you've watched the video, you might want to send me a comment. Let me know how you got on with that quiz. Okay, let's get these beetroot out of this 10-inch water bucket. And I will say now that the square foot bucket garden wasn't a square foot bucket garden for most of the year, because most of the year we've had very strong winds blowing across the garden, and because these are quite portable, I've been able to move them close to the property. So more often than not, these buckets have been hard up against the property, trying to shelter from the wind. But on the good days that we did have, Yeah, it was a square foot bucket garden. It was out on the patio in full sun, catching whatever weather went by. But as soon as the wind picked up, and that was often, these went next to the property. Okay, let's take these beetroot. Let's see what we've got. Okay, I'll pop them all up in front of the camera when I get finished. And remember, this is a 10-inch water bucket, so if you were growing in a 5-gallon bucket, for example, you could possibly scale this up. You could possibly grow more beetroot than I've grown here. Now these are about golf ball size, and I would have probably left them longer, but I've got beetroot in the garden starting to bolt, and I'm fairly sure these will bolt shortly. So rather than wait till they do that and become woody, I'm taking them now. I'm not going to take that chance. Okay, let's have a look at these. Hey, what do you think? Come on, it's got to be worth having a go, hasn't it? Beetroot in a bucket. Did that sound a bit like message in a bottle? Beetroot in a bucket. I'm getting dafter. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. This is Homegrown Veg, signing out.